Can a minority group be victim of discrimination as well? Well, the Supreme Court says yes. So let's talk about what just happened in this case called M versus Ohio. In this case, a woman says that she was denied a promotion because she is heterosexual. Well, the US Supreme Court has unanimously ruled that her case deserved to be heard.
This is a unanimous opinion that will make it easier to file so-called reverse discrimination claims here in the US. Now here, the Supreme Court sided with a straight woman in Ohio. She filed a reverse discrimination lawsuit against her employer when her gay boss declined to promote her and instead promoted another gay individual. Now, this is mostly about the bar that members of majority groups, so in this case a straight white woman, need to meet in order to file these kinds of claims. And here, in a unanimous opinion, they have sided with this woman. So she will, it appears, be allowed to continue to proceed with this.
It should be pointed out that the Supreme Court is not deciding whether Marlene Ames is right or not. What they are deciding is that she does have the right to be heard in front of the court. Previously, people in minority groups had to meet a higher legal standard just to be heard. That is not equity. Now, here is attorney Seo Wang explaining why her case is so compelling.
You've got to show either statistical evidence of a pattern or practice of discrimination, or you've got to show that the person who made the decision in your case was a member of a minority group. She applied for a promotion and was qualified for the promotion, interviewed for the promotion, didn't get the job. Two other heterosexual employees did the same thing, didn't get the job. And the job eventually went to a gay employee who neither interviewed nor applied for the position.
You know, I am tired of seeing the law being applied differently to one group versus another. And this is happening more and more in the United States and England. But discrimination against a minority group is still discrimination. Here is what attorney Wang said in front of the Supreme Court.
It instructs courts to practice it by sorting individuals into majority and minority groups based on their race, their sex, or their protected characteristic, and applying a categorical evidentiary presumption, not in favor of, but against the non-moving party, based solely on their being in a majority group.
The Supreme Court, they say that everyone deserves the same protection under the law, no matter your race, gender, or sexual orientation. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and until soon. Peace.